Okay, let's dive right into this. Did you know that YouTube DL can download videos not just from YouTube, but from a ton of other sites too?
Wait, seriously, I always thought it was just for YouTube. Which other sites?
Yeah, it supports various platforms. I mean, the list is pretty extensive if you look at it. It's like a video downloader buffet.
That's pretty wild. But how does it even manage to keep up? I imagine these sites change their protocols a lot.
Exactly, it's a constant game of cat and mouse. The developers regularly update it to adapt to those changes.
Right, but doesn't that assume the developers are on top of every single change? Couldn't they miss something?
True, there's always that risk. It's impressive they manage it as well as they do, but issues can arise, especially with big platforms.
Speaking of issues, I saw that they have a command for updating the software. How does that work?
Oh, it's super simple. Just a command like ytdl and boom, you're updated. It's user-friendly.
That's nice, but what if someone hasn't updated in a while? Are there any risks?
Yes, old versions might not work properly. They can miss out on important fixes or new features.
That's a good point. And what about the formats? I heard it can handle various video and audio formats.
Exactly, you can specify formats like MP4, WebM, or even just the audio. There's a whole format selection process.
Format selection, that sounds complicated. Can you break it down?
Sure, you can use flags to choose formats based on your needs, like best video or best audio to get high quality.
And what if I just want everything? Is there a catch-all option?
Yep, there's an option for that too. You can use all formats to download everything available.
That sounds convenient, but what about system resource issues? Could that slow things down?
That's a valid concern. Downloading multiple formats simultaneously can hog bandwidth and slow down your connection.
Okay, so moderation is key. Now, what about using it with different operating systems?
Great question. It works on Unix, Windows, and macOS. The installation process varies slightly across platforms.
And how easy is it to install for someone who's not tech-savvy?
Surprisingly easy. For Unix, it's just a couple of terminal commands. Windows users have a simple executable to download.
Nice, but are there any prerequisites, like needing Python or something?
Yeah, it requires Python, which is pretty standard. Most users already have it installed.
What happens if they don't?
The installation will error out until Python is installed. It's not a deal breaker, just an extra step.
Got it, and I assume there are some troubleshooting steps for users if they encounter issues.
Absolutely, they have a whole FAQ section on common errors people run into, which is super helpful.
What type of errors do they typically see?
Stuff like unable to extract metadata, formatting errors, or issues related to network connectivity.
Interesting, and what about cookies? I've heard that some sites require them for access.
Yes, there's a command for passing cookies, making it easier to access restricted content.
That's clever, so it's really about adapting to different needs, huh?
Exactly, that's what makes YouTube DL so powerful. It can be customized through various options.
I can see why it's so popular, but what if someone wants to contribute to it?
Oh, they have a whole section on that. They welcome contributions but have strict guidelines to follow.
That makes sense. Keeping things organized and consistent is key.
For sure, it ensures all contributions align with the project's goals and coding standards.
I'm impressed. It sounds like a robust tool that can really cater to users' needs.
Totally, it's like the Swiss Army knife for video downloads.
And it's open source too, right? That's a big plus.
Yep, anyone can modify it, which adds to its versatility.
I'll definitely have to check it out. It seems like it can save a lot of hassle.
Absolutely, it's a game changer for anyone who deals with online video content.
I'm excited to get started. This is such a valuable tool.
Let me know how it goes. I'd love to hear about your experiences.